Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a DIY, and it's really going to be fun because it has been fun for me to shoot this one. And today I'm going to do the bleach tie-dye on my black cotton t-shirt and black leggings here. So I want to make it a little good looking and a little brighter and swirly. So today I'm going to bleach this one. So this is how it is, and let's get started. So to start with, here I have 6 items with me, from which the first one is the black t-shirt, black leggings, a fork, few rubber bands, a pair of gloves for protection, and here I have bleach or ala, into which I have poured some water. So there's one portion of bleach and a half portion of water. And now let's get started. So now I'm going to start with the black t-shirt. So first I'll place it on the floor, then I'll use the fork and I'll just put it on the center of the t-shirt, and I'll just swirl it or turn it around just like the way we do it to the noodles. And now you can see all the parts are just coming towards the center just like this. So now I'm going to take the support of my another hand so that it turns properly. Once it is done, just adjust the t-shirt with both of your hands, and then all you have to do is to tie the rubber bands the way I'm doing it. Once the t-shirt is done, we are going to take the black bottom which we are tending to dye, and what we have to do is to fold it into 2 or 3 fold depending on the size of your leggings. So here I am going to fold it into 2 just like this. And in this one we are going to do the pleating techniques just like the way we do it in the sari. So as you can see here, we are going to make it compact as much as we can, and it is ready just like this. And now all we have to do is to tie the rubber bands on it. Now once the black bottom and the t-shirt are ready, we are going to move towards the next step, wherein it's necessary for us to wear the gloves in order to protect our hands and skin. So be aware and do it in the bathroom. Since I have a baby tub which is enough to protect from bleach getting out, what I'm going to do is keep the pant and the t-shirts in and pour in the bleach. So here I am using the bottle which has a hole on cap, which is very easy for me to pour the bleach and safely as well. So we'll do one side at a time. The effect of the bleach is so instant that the color has already started to change, and so now we are going to turn it around just like this and bleach on the another side of the t-shirt and as well as the pant. Now we'll leave it aside for 15-20 minutes as per color preference. So guys, it's been a while since I kept the t-shirt and the leggings as it is, and I think the color has changed pretty well. It's orangish, and so I am now going to just wash it with cold water. So now I'll show you guys how it is. OMG, this is fabulous. This is amazing. we are washing this so that the extra bleach is removed properly. So the washing step is quite necessary. So now once I have washed these properly, now what we are going to do is we are going to wash them into the washing machine with the normal process, that is spin, tumble, dry, and then I'll wear it and I'll show you all how it actually looks. So guys, I am back with it and I just washed the clothes, I dried it and I ironed it, and the results are just amazing. It is more than what I expected, and this DIY is so good that even if you mistake somewhere or the other, it doesn't look bad, rather it just makes it more and more creative. So right now I have worn the pant down. So this is how beautiful it is. I'm just in love with it. So the color and the design is pretty good and I'm loving it. And so even my father loved the t-shirt and he just took it and wore it. So he has worn it right now and this is how it looks.
I saw and I wore it. It's amazing design. Good, well done.
Yeah, so I to just love the t-shirt, and this you just show them how from back. So this is just amazing, and until then, see you all for my next video. Bye.
Bye.